Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Twinchie Tuesday hosted by Jenn of Sassy Southern NC Girl. Be sure and check out her channel and be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday to see what everyone else has made. So I've got my 4 Twinchies. I usually do 4 and I am going to cut them down. This and my little pictures of my puppy dogs, whoops, I can't get this straight, came from this pad that I got from Joann's before it went out of business. And this is one of the sheets, and I just trimmed around the little frames. So let's see here. See if I can round this one up a little bit. I hope everybody is doing good. I'm doing pretty good. Let's see here. Not a lot going on, which is probably a good thing. Doesn't give me much to talk about, which is probably a good thing because I tend to say too much or the wrong thing. So let's see here. It is never my intention to offend anyone. And sometimes I just forget and give my opinion and forget that people don't care about my opinion. So I'm going to ink around these. And I've already inked around my other pieces. I don't know why, I just tend to do 4 Twinchies. It just seems like a good number. And I've used them on pockets. I've used them as tuck spots. I think they would be cute on snippet rolls. So I usually do 4 and around the same kind of format. All right, so now let's put these things down. So I'm going to start with this one. And I've got some butterflies. I just think they're so cute. So I'm going to put down my little puppy dog first. And those little framed pictures were perfect for a Twinchie. And I'm just going to decorate these up. We finally got some rain, which is wonderful. We have needed it. And it's supposed to be a little cooler this week, at least the first part of the week, which is good because my husband has to cut grass this week. Okay, we got that one. So let's see how we'll do this one. We'll move him over, or her, so she's got flowers in her hair. Okay. Although I do think I want to turn the dog prints a little. There we go. And I want to add my little flowers to these. I love these little flowers. They come from Hobby Lobby. And I do want to add, oops, some antenna. these two. Kind of get the paw prints straight. I think I'll go that way so the paw prints can show a little more. So let's get this little puppy dog down. And this butterfly. And this little butterfly. I need some more little small butterflies. I need to print out some and, you know, shrink them down. And we'll put one there, and one there. Kind of do a triangle. Okay, and last but not least, I think he's the cutest. Might want to get this butterfly down. I almost forgot. Okay. Put my pen back in my glue so it doesn't dry out. And some antenna. Here they are. I think they turned out cute. I hope you do as well. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Jenn's channel. I'll have it listed in my description box down below, and be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday to see what everyone else has made. So y'all take care. I love you. I really care so much about all of my subscribers. I pray for you every day, and I ask for blessings for you. So please take care, and until next time, love y'all. Bye.